the still of the morning light, hands on the heart, I feel it ignite. GertieGane, a call from within, the journey of love begins. Silent whispers of the soul, breaking the chains, making me whole. Rise of the Kundalini flame, everything changes, nothing's the same. Breathe it in, let it flow, the light inside begins to grow. With every chant, with every prayer, I'm weightless, free from despair. GertieGane, oh let it shine, awaken the world, this love divine. Body and spirit perfectly aligned. With GertieGane, I'm no longer blind. Open my heart, my mind, my way, guided by love's eternal ray. Every breath a sacred sign, a doorway to the grand design. The past dissolves, the future's clear. In this moment there's nothing to fear. Blessings flow with every word, an endless echo that's always heard. With GertieGane I learn to see the boundless power inside of me. Breathe it in, let it flow, the light inside begins to grow. With every chant, with every prayer, I'm weightless, free from despair. GertieGane, oh let it shine, awaken the world, this love divine. Body and spirit perfectly aligned. With GertieGane, I'm no longer blind. Open my heart, my mind, my way, guided by love's eternal ray. GertieGane, oh let it shine, awaken the world, this love divine. Body and spirit perfectly aligned. With GertieGane, I'm no longer blind. Open my heart, my mind, my way, guided by love's eternal ray. Touch the unseen, feel the unknown, the seeds of compassion already sown. One heart, one mind, one sacred flame, we're all connected by GertieGane's name. Rise together, no longer apart, love's vibration lives in the heart. GertieGane, oh let it shine, awaken the world, this love divine. Body and spirit perfectly aligned. With GertieGane, I'm no longer blind. Open my heart, my mind, my way, guided by love's eternal ray. So I sing it out, I let it be known, the light of the GertieGane has grown. With every breath, with every sound, the sacred in everything is found.